What's going on, guys? Turn your volume up because I just went outside and I hear this. I don't know what it is, but if it bothers you, let's exit out of the video because I don't know what it is. So, guys, tell me if you know what it is down in the comments below. It's really weird. Oh, it just stopped.
We don't know what it is, but it sounds creepy.
My sister just said we don't know what it is, but it sounds creepy as all heck. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Also,
We have
I want to show you my dad's truck, which is right here. I'll show you it in a second.
flatten yours.
Here, guys. Here it is. It is a 1969 Chevy C10. Look how old it looks. You got this not too long ago, about like a year ago. Then look, stick shift. What? Oh. Look, he's got jigs, all that stuff. Pause the video if you want to see any of them. It's awesome. It's not in bad condition. Hold on. So, this is the rivalry. I just crushed my sister's basket and now she's gonna crush mine. So,
Do you
let her rip. Let her rip.
Logan, can you crush it?
Go. Okay, guys, do you want to see what I did to her basket?
Yeah, I'll go get it.
Okay. This is what the result looks like. It is flat. Look. It's thin as heck. So, and this thing flies well. Watch.
Yeah. Want to see how it flies? My brother is going to show you how it flies.
Alright, it's right here.
In just a minute.
Look, landed all the way. Over there.
I need help crushing this thing.
She just said she needed help crushing this thing. This is what she did. Okay, hold this camera.
Heads up. Yes. Okay.
This is the basket, guys. Ready? Watch out. These are basket pancakes. Oh my God, mine's not flattening. Why isn't mine flattening? Okay, found out the problem. Okay, let's see. Okay, crushing it. Now it looks like this. And watch, I'm gonna try to pop it out. Pop the damage right out. So, anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, maybe subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.